Hello and Namaste everyone. Every year, India celebrates Wildlife Week from 2nd October till 8th October. This celebration of Wildlife Week begins in India from 1952 with the motive of protecting and conserving the wildlife of India. The National Board of India took the decision, and every year all over India people, environmentalists, government, agency come together to celebrate this week as a Wildlife Week. Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of India, was the main preacher of non-violence. He was the person who respected all forms of the life, and that is why it was decided to begin the celebration of Wildlife Week with the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. India is rich in the biodiversity, and we have three biodiversity hotspots in India: the Eastern Himalayas, the Western Ghat of India, and Indo-Burma region. So it is very important for all of us to respect all forms of the life. This year, theme of the Wildlife Week is sustaining all forms of the life. In India, we are very fortunate to have the largest population of the big cat, the tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger is the glory of India's wildlife. We have the largest mammal, elephants, very stronger, very powerful, and we also have lion in the forest of the Gir. However, today, if you look around India, lot of conflicts are taking place between wildlife and human being. So human being today asserting themselves as a Louis XIV, who was the ruler of France and who used to say, I am the state, I am the whole and soul. So in the same way, we in India, considering ourselves as very important and giving very less importance to the wildlife. Voting right is given to human being, and that is why there is no voice for the animal, and that is why it is high time for all of us to respect all forms of the life if we want to sustain in India. If you look around India, you will find the green patches of the forest once upon a time dominated by tiger, elephant and different types of the creature. Once upon a time, the fastest animal, cheetah, was there in India, but today cheetah went into oblivion. Many elements of the biological wealth in India today are declining at alarming speed. Once upon a time, the areas which were experiencing the twittering of the birds, today all these areas are dominated by the sounds of vehicles, sounds of machine, and if we fail to understand the music created by the nature, then we all will going to face lot of problems. If we protect the tiger in the jungle, that will going to protect the forest, and forest will going to generate the water and oxygen. So protecting tiger means protecting ourselves. Protecting elephant means protecting human being. However, if you look in Assam, if you go to the southern part of India, elephants are facing lot of problems. The conflict between human being and elephant reached to such extent that the people who once upon a time worshipping elephant as the god Ganpati, today are fighting with for the extinction of the elephant from the jungle. So once upon a time, the bond of the relationship that was developed by the human being living in India with the nature is fast degrading. It was Arya Chanakya who in Arthashastra long back tells us to take the steps for the protection of the wildlife. He was the person who emphasized for creating reserve for the elephant. When India was having such type of the thinking, such type of the philosophy long back in the ancient history, then why we people, considering ourselves as a literate and highly educated, are creating problem for the animal? Wildlife has no place in our culture, no place in our life and livelihood. We have to remember that if we want to live on this earth, live in this India, happy and cheerful life, then we have to respect the wild animal. Today, world is under the pandemic COVID-19 situation, and this virus creating problem for the human being is evolved from the imbalances which we have created in environment and ecology. So if we fail to protect the environment, ecology and wildlife, our life will be threatened. So to protect ourselves, let us come together, celebrate Wildlife Week and take the vow to protect all form of the life that are there in India. Sustaining all form of the wildlife will going to make our life cheerful, make us more happy, and India's tradition and culture has already emphasized on the protection and conservation of the wildlife.